This is part 1 of my pattern haul videos. There will be 3. The first pattern in my simplicity haul is S9597, a Mimi G pattern. And if you haven't noticed already, I am here for the cutouts for this summer. I love everything about this view A, this cutout in the back. I'm really interested in making that before summer is over. So I know I don't have long, so I have to get on it. And this pattern was out. They were sold out of this pattern at Joann's the last time that I went to pick up patterns. So this was one of the first ones I looked for, and I was so glad they had it. Second pattern is 8560. It's a simplicity pattern. It's activewear sports bras. And this comes in handy because I have been working out more and I need more workout tops. And this is a pattern actually that my daughter found and wants it. She's very athletic and this is her go-to, so pick this one up. Next one, this is the rack number 11528. The actual pattern number is S9598. This is another pattern. It was sold out in the size that I needed. This is size 16 to 24, but I do also have the smaller size as well. But I made sure this was another one that I grabbed first because it also was not in my size when I went the last time. And again, I'm loving the cutouts. Now, I've never color blocked anything, so I may try the color blocked version. If not, it's gonna be version A for me. And both versions of the dress have cutouts. It's just that version A is solid print and version B is color blocked. Now, if you've been watching my videos for any length of time or any of my pattern haul videos, you know that I have a daughter that's a senior in high school this year, and she is really looking forward to prom. So I wanted to have a variety of patterns for her to choose from, and when I saw this one, I knew I had to grab it. This one is really cute, some really cute options, and I have no doubt that she would like any of these, but she hasn't decided on any colors or exactly how she wants her dress. So we're just going to play around and practice, and hopefully we'll be ready to make that prom dress come April or May of 2023. Now, this is the last pattern in part 1 of the pattern haul. Stick around for part 2. If you like these patterns or have any of these or have plans to make any of these, drop a comment below and hit that like button. Also, if you haven't considered subscribing, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when part 2 of my pattern haul is posted. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.